Well, good news, everyone. Today we're taking a look at Springer Lake in New Mexico. Springer Lake is located just northwest of the village of Springer, and it is a small fishing lake just under 1 square mile in size with a multi-year lease from the New Mexico Fish and Game. There is a boat ramp located at Springer Lake, but during my visit the lake itself was kind of low during October of 2019. The lake has 2 camping spots, each of which has its own pit toilet. There were signs on both of the toilets that a rattlesnake was found inside and to be careful when entering. The camping area on the north side of the lake is a smaller area, and it's right on a through road. It is nothing more than a pull-off right next to the lake, and I think it could accommodate about 2 campers. The main camping area is to the south and has dedicated spaces for 4 camping spots, but the area could accommodate more than 4. The area to the south is where the boat ramp is located. That area also has a dumpster. The camping area is fenced in and has a cattle grate at the entrance because the area around the lake appears to be free roam range for cattle. During my time there, it was really windy, but had amazing sunsets over the Cimarron Mountain range in the background. If you do decide to give Springer Lake a visit, I would recommend using the southern entrance. The road entering from the north was extremely washboarded. I could not find any history on Springer Lake, but I did find some interesting things out about the town of Springer, located about 5 miles away. Springer is located in Colfax County and used to be the county seat from 1882 to 1897. Colfax County is named after Vice President Schuyler Colfax, who served under President Ulysses S. Grant. The land was purchased as part of the Maxwell Land Grant. The town was renamed for Frank Springer, a territorial attorney who arrived from Iowa. Mr. Springer was very involved in politics, and with his influence got the ATSF Railway to go through Springer instead of Cimarron, which is the biggest town in the county, and now the county seat. Mr. Springer never lived in the town, according to a brief history of Springer, New Mexico. The first residents were Doc Harmon and his family. Springer was the site of the Cowboy Ball and the Colfax County Fair. People would not think of missing these events. An invitation to the ball read, "Come all staid old-timers from the place so vast. Limber up your joints, shake your stiff old knees. Come right into Springer, for she is not far away. Come all, you Colfax maidens that's never been kissed. You are shy and sweet and pretty, but you don't know what you've missed." Remember, life is short. Take more detours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, thanks for watching.